part natin. Kaya nahihintay lang. Yan. Hello. Ang poster natin. Dito kami sa departure.
Hello, Joe. International Airport.
Yan, ito na kami. Pababa na kami ng poster.
And we are deeply grateful for your continued support and partnership in making this lounge a reality. So at this time, we invite again our commitment to offering comfort, hospitality, and a serene environment for those traveling through our airport. We believe that every journey deserves a moment of relaxation, and with the Marhaba Lounge, we aim to provide just that. Things upon this space. And to do so, we are truly grateful to have with us today Reverend Father Deogracias Care Gala, serves a place of physical rest, but also as one of peace, comfort, and tranquility. Father Deogracias, thank you for being here to help us.
Thank you. Oops. One, two. One, two, three. Go. Yay.
So hopefully we will see you and enjoy the Marhaba experience.
Ma'am, meaning ng anong ibig sabihin ng marhaba?
So Marhaba is meet and greet or welcome. More or less we want to use it associated with us with welcoming everybody to the lounge. So I think around the global we have a few already of one of the biggest lounge and
Thank you.
Thank you. Others are sure that they will enjoy.
Yes.
Any other unique offerings?
Like ma'am, for business class or business travelers, we also offer facilities for like for example meeting room.
Flight na manggagaling sa NAIA, ito yung mga turboprop flights ng Cebu Pacific. Effective March 30, magsisimula na yung paglipat ng ibang flights sa NAIA ng turboprop ng Cebu Pacific.
Recognize the Cebu Pacific Flight 501-085 bound for the VAR. Is calling the attention of the passenger name. If you are wrong, please visit the immediately to gate number. Thank
So
you.
madadagdagan ito ng 12 to 14 flights a day. Prop flights ng Cebu Pacific.
Pwede nyo anong mga destination yun, mga turboprops like Masbate, Siargao?
Yes, so meron po tayong madadagdag na 5 destination, local destination. Meron tayong El Nido, Panglao, Masbate, Siargao, and Busuan. Ang airport at saka ang Central Luzon kasi mas maraming flights na sa local destination ang magkakaroon tayo dito sa ating terminal.
Sa Clark International po, ilan po ba yung pasahero natin, yung mga pasahero na dumarating at umaalis, domestic and international?
Domestic is... wait, cut na. National is around...
Nawit na ako.
Nahihirapan niya ako eh. Okay. So, sorry.
Sa international.
Total pala yun. Total pala yun. Mga 4,000. Mga current natin for domestic ngayon is mga around 4,000. So, madadagdagan tayo mga 600 passengers a day. So, that's 4,600 to 5,000.
A day.
Ang central processing facility for all general aviation and cargo flight. So, sa Clark International Airport pa lang ang meron nito. Meron tayo sa south wing ng ating terminal na doon pinoprocess ang lahat ng general aviation passengers.
Oo nga, no? Tatlo, yan, ano? Kitang-kita po natin sa kanilang runway.
Siya solid na wood talaga.
Parang China.
Ano po siya, Austrian white spruce, yun ang tawag sa
Austrian white spruce.
yes.
What about the roofing?
The roofing, yan yung kailangan namin hanapin kung anong material kasi hindi po siya GI roofing.
Ano ba yung tawag?
Parang ano?
Solar.
Hindi rin po siya solar.
Di ba parang solid na kahoy ito, ma'am?
Ano po, engineered wood na siya.
Ah.
Walang maaga po lumayas yung mga aeroplano.
Engineer.
Yun yung puno na pinagalingan ng wood. Pero yung itong actual material, glue lang na yung tawag sa akin. At operations under ng Lipad, which is a private company.
Rest and go. Pero government-owned pa nito ba?
Government-owned po, yung facility, yung airport, naka-ONM lang po siya sa Lipad. Operations.
Ayun ka.
Head of corporate communications. Yes, funny. Pero junior lang po tayo. Kasi na po siyang alamat, so hindi po tayo. We cannot compare.
Ayan si Sir Dante Basabla.